So what is computer networking? Computer networking, similar to if two or three people or more people are talking to each other and doing their work and understanding each other's language and communicating in that way, that is called a human networking, right? Similarly, our computers also talk to each other via wireless or with wire on certain protocols, like right now all the IoT devices, our thermostats, our microwave, our car, our Alexa, Google, all the things are talking to each others and providing information to each other, so that any work can be done, right? So that is what is called computer networking.